What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here today. And in today's video, we're going to be changing out a headlight on the Mercury Grand Marquis. This is a 2000 model Mercury Grand Marquis. If you haven't seen any of the videos, definitely check them out. I'll link them as we go along here. Had this car for about a year and a half now, so sorry about my voice, guys. It's a little rough today, but we're gonna change this out. We have a new headlight and we have a new corner marker light too, so we're gonna change that out and see how that goes. So here's the corner marker. I actually got these off Rock Auto for like super cheap. Shout out to them, because that looks a heck of a lot better. About 3 years ago, we changed this side. On this side, from the old owner changed it. Got into a little bit of an accident, very minor. Broke the headlight, dented the fender, and the bumper too. We ended up changing it out, that side, but this side was the factory side. And like I said, this car used to be a California car, so it definitely looks like it with all that hazing. So I got new ones. Like I said, these were super cheap. Like I don't even think I paid more than like 30 bucks off Rock Auto for this stuff. It was super cheap. So we got the corner light. We also have a new headlight too. These are Eagle Eye brands, which is just, I'm sure, just a brand from overseas, but yeah, we got that there. So that's gonna be looking really good. It's really gonna make the front of this car look better. And yeah, let's get these things installed. First thing we gotta do is we gotta pop that hood. All right, now that we got the hood popped, we're gonna have to take off this upper plate here. We twist pins there, but this has been on and off so many times, it just kind of hangs out in there. So yeah, but yeah, if you have the twist ties in there, or the twist pins, you're gonna have to twist those out into the off position, and then that will be removed. So that gains us access behind the headlight to remove it. Okay, so now that we're behind the headlight here, you see these, there's these little little brackets here. I got one on each side. We're gonna pull those out. They're up and out. Might be a little stubborn, so take your time with them. Ooh. I'm gonna try to put the gun on the camera and see if we can do this. So that one's out. Put that off to the side. All right, I need a little tool for this one. Just gonna put it underneath that. We're gonna use the core support for leverage. Oh, that's in there. There we go. It's been a while since this one's been out. There we go. And that's out. So put that off to the side. And then the headlight actually just pulls right out in the front. But let's unhook that plug first. All right, so that plug's unhooked. And then we got another one for the blinker. I just unscrewed it. So there we go. And that one's out. So now we got our new headlight, and we're gonna put it in the same way that old one came out. Just gonna take the sticker off for the blinker, and then I'm almost thinking we're gonna take the bulb and we're gonna actually put it in the new headlight, so it's easier to just plug in. So we're gonna adjust these. I got a, what is this, a 5/32 socket with a small ratchet. And just got it on loosening, and then I just put it on there, and then just finger loosen these little brackets. So we're gonna see where we're at. Does this need to be out then?
flush there?
Yeah, somewhat.
Looks like it. There you go. That's it.
Just pops right in.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you should be able to push it in, get them tabs on. Yeah, there you go. That's for the 2 side.
Just push your pins back in.
Might need a little persuasion.
Don't forget to hook up the bulbs.
Maybe it wasn't making good connection.
So we're gonna try them out. Is that better? Oh, much better. Let's get the cellophane off there. Ooh. And it was cheap too. Rock Auto. Alrighty. Now time to change out the side marker. So now that we got the headlight changed out, we're gonna do this corner marker light. There's just a Phillips screw on the end here. Put that off to the side. You go down here, and in the side, right in here, there's an 11mm nut. At least that's what I found it to be. So I loosen that up. And got that out. Now you should just be able to pull this thing out like so. And then we're gonna get to this back side and get these light bulbs out. One, and then I just disconnected that clip. I'm trying to get this thing to turn a little bit more. There we go. And just pull that harness out of there, and then the lamp is free. Got the new lamp here. We're just gonna peel the tape off the back sides, put our bulbs back in there. And that clip I took out. The clip we took out, we're gonna put that back where that is. Just turn it into being a little bugger. There we go. So that clips back in. We can go back in with the lamp. The new lamp. Look at that, it already looks 1,000 times better. Okay. I've been struggling for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Did notice on this headlight, it's not lining up the best. At the top, there's a gap there. And it looks like the alignment pin on the top above the bolt is too big for that hole. So I think I'm just gonna try to send it with the bolt, see what happens, and we'll kind of go from there. So I modified it a little bit. There's an alignment pin right here. I cut that off. So hopefully we can get this to sit in a little tighter. I didn't like how it was sitting in there because the alignment tab was like too big for the hole. I think this will actually fit a ton better. Headlight and corner marker light installed. Let's check and see if those things work. Oh yeah, and they're working. Perfect. Ah, shit. I got a light out again. I gotta replace that light. I'll do that real quick. Alrighty. So, all the lights are working now. This one was burnt out, but I got another one in there and it's working. I don't know what I was doing there. We're gonna adjust these headlights, make sure they're aimed correctly. I'll show you how to do that next. So we'll get these aimed up. All right. So definitely need to aim that size that we replaced. It's way high. I think this side's okay. Let me just check real quick. Yeah, that's good. This side definitely needs to come down. So those little adjusters right there, that's what we're going to be moving. That one, and then possibly that one if we need to like turn it side to side. Alrighty, just find a big huge needle nose, and that's doing it. So we're getting that down. Almost there. That should be pretty good. I'm happy with that. All right, let's get this plate back on. And then we can shut the hood and be done. There we go. And then we're done. There we go. That looks a lot better. Heck yeah. Way better than before. Oh yeah. Much better. Alrighty guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you or you like it. And see you guys next time. Have a good day or night or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.